Am I an Instagram model yet?
Hannah Montana?
Yeah.
My sister really tries to kill me.
Hey guys, it's Maddy Newton, and today I have a special guest on my channel.
My name is Lisa Cimorelli, and I'm here to do her makeup.
This beautiful face just
Well,
happened
yeah,
because of her.
we just did it. Spoiler alert! Hope you guys enjoy. You better subscribe to her channel and come over and subscribe to mine. Follow her on Instagram.
Wow, I need you in
All
every
of the
video.
things.
And all of her links will be down below as well.
I'm trusting her as a YouTuber to put her own links in the description, so please follow her on all of those things. All right, let's get into it.
Let me dance a little bit.
Let's get into
it.
Hey,
Can we talk about the fact that my cut matches your hair?
as it should.
This one.
Thanks. And then where do we
Naked
just
skin.
put that sponge?
Uh-oh.
All right, so
What
close
can
your
I say?
eyes.
Okay.
We're starting from square one. Oh wait, I need to get ready. Where's your like face powder?
This one or that one?
Oh, okay.
We just do that.
How do you get it out? Do you like dump
Or
it?
you can do
I've never
this
used
one.
this one.
Oh yeah, dump it, dump
Dump
it,
it.
dump it,
Dump
Drump
it. Dump it to crump
I
it.
just bought a.
Hashtag dump it to crump it. I'm gonna learn quickly how much coverage this concealer is. Woo!
It's a lot.
All right, that's kind of what I figured, but that's okay. Okay.
Well, Jaclyn Hill likes that. So.
I'm so meticulous. I'm like, if I actually
I know.
do my full effort in this, it's gonna be like a 2-hour video. I can't do that.
This one is for no color, but all the other blending brushes you can use in the crease. So like that.
This
or
one?
that.
This
Yeah,
looks good.
sure.
Cool.
Whatever your heart desires.
My heart desires many things. Let's see.
Let's talk about it. I have a nose ring now.
Hey, when did you get? Oh wait, I think I saw you when you came over and you
Yeah.
had gotten it recently.
I got it the night before I went with my parents to like my dad's company's Christmas party.
Ooh, rebel.
And I get in the car as we're like driving to the airport, and he looks in the rearview mirror and he's like, "Oh, Maddie, you have something on your..." and and he turned around and he looked at me and he's like, "That's not real, right?"
Oh no. And then what?
Then he
so
was
upset.
like, "You couldn't have waited until like 2 more days, like when we got back." And
Ooh.
and he was like, "It's your body." I'm like, "Yeah, you know, I like it."
Yeah, it
And
is
then he
your
got
body.
over it, and everybody when we were there was like, "Oh my gosh, Maddie, that's so cute." I'm like, he's fine. He's not like, it
Not
wasn't
like
mad,
crazy,
but it was just not the best timing.
Yeah, I guess when I came home half bald, my parents were kind of upset.
Were they?
Like when I like literally buzzed all my hair from like here down, like to the skin. And they were kind of like, oh. I'm gonna be using the Naked Heat palette.
Is it getting hot in here?
Ooh, it's the heat from this palette. She's like, I don't do much shimmer. And I'm like, well, look at my favorite palette.
I
It's
want
just
that.
all shimmer.
Yes.
Let's
There's
see.
a hair. I've used it as highlight on my eyes, but not on the lid.
I'm actually gonna try that if you're okay with that.
You know what? I'm
Trick
not
question, I
okay
don't
with
care
it.
if she's okay.
I know. As you dip my eyeshadow in my highlighter.
Guess what? It's just a giant thing of eyeshadow.
Oh, you're blocking my face, just so you know. I mean, it's not like they need to see my face or anything.
This is difficult from this angle, but I'm trying. We're using Champagne Pop on the lid. Woo!
Rebels over here, getting
Oh, yeah.
nose rings and putting highlight
Highlighter
on
on your
our eyes.
eyelid.
Live life on the edge.
You can do one of those, do one of these, and then we get a little shebang. Close.
Easy as that.
Oh, we're getting that heat for sure. Oh, it's warming up. It's cooking.
What did you do for Valentine's Day?
I actually didn't do anything on Valentine's Day. I was Ash Wednesday. I couldn't eat candy because I gave it up for Lent. I couldn't eat chocolate. I couldn't eat anything because I was fasting.
Gosh.
And I worked and I did my taxes. Are you dating anyone?
No.
We're both single. Imagine that.
I was hashtag
Hit
single
us
on
up.
Valentine's Day.
Woo!
Yeah, you're wearing Sad Girls Club jacket
Oh,
right now. That's why
hey.
you're facing your back to the camera.
Yeah, that's the whole point of this video.
Why don't you just let me in the middle?
It's so fluffy and soft.
I know.
Look up.
Ow. Thank you.
Whoops!
Don't let Lisa do your makeup. She's
She-
violent.
She will hit you in the teeth multiple times.
Am I an Instagram model yet?
She was born on the gram.
I think we're done right now.
I definitely agree. I have like a little brush for like highlighting the inner corner.
Yeah, I do. It's so great. It
I
will
see
change
it.
your life if you get it. This is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush set that I spent too much money on.
I think we should move this light.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
That's way.
Hey, why didn't we do that?
Wow, that's way better. Oh my gosh, I'm so annoyed at myself for not thinking of that 10 minutes ago.
I know. I'm staring at your wild.
Nice. My what?
Your wild? Does that say wild?
Oh yeah, it does say wild.
I need to get my brows waxed So bad.
Honestly, I kind of like
legit-
the natural look on you.
I
Not gonna
haven't
lie.
done it in over a year.
Really?
I've just like tweezed little
No,
random
but
hairs.
that's good.
I hate doing mascara on other people.
It's very difficult. But
I'm like,
just
I don't want to poke
blink.
you in the eye.
See, I'm like, I don't
just
want
blink.
to. I don't want to mess up the
I know.
makeup. I don't give a frick about your eye. No, I'm just kidding.
No, you're not. You're
That's
so
what I,
serious.
That's what I think about first. Wait, look like forward. Yeah,
Okay.
you're good. That's the first thing that I think about. But I do think, oh geez, if I poked you in the eye, I would feel really bad.
I'm sorry. I'm watching your face
do this
going
yourself.
thumbnail.
Adjust
the focusing. This is crooked.
Okay, foundation.
FANDERSHUN.
I
don't know.
FANDERSHUN. How do you spell that? FANDERSHUN.
It's your boy.
It's your boy. It's
Oh.
your boy. Woo! Did I
Shocked
just
me.
shock you with my talent?
electricity.
Wait, close. Like this.
Close what? Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing face like.
Can you conceal my teeth? My neck better be perfect.
This is a neck tutorial.
I have a pimple right there. Do you see it?
That?
Yes.
It's okay. I literally touch it.
How nervy is your neck?
I'm
just wondering.
I'm not asking as in a rhetorical situation. If I were to strangle you. Oh dang, I got it all over your nose ring. Is that bad?
It's okay.
What do you normally do about that way? Look up with your eyes?
I just go around it.
Oh, whoops. Your nose ring is against my brand, so I'm gonna blur it out. Okay, got it. Look up. Or never mind, you don't have to look up. What am I saying? Look up so I can get your nose. Look up with your eyes now. I actually need to.
Purse your lips for me, please.
Stop! These are really trying to kill me. Wow, the sass is real. Look at this one. We're cooking now.
Oh. Ooh, what are we cooking?
Bacon and eggs.
Oh.
That sounds really good right now.
Hashtag no
Eyes.
filter. Hashtag no makeup. Gonna conceal that uni.
No.
That
that's not what we're
unibrow.
doing.
What am I? Oh.
Yes, I can get this.
Ah. Right there.
Get this little region.
Yeah.
In the middle.
Oh, I wanted that to be a boomerang.
Wait, that was better though. That was better. Follow her on Instagram for content like this.
I don't like nudity on my channel. We have to conceal that butt chin.
Pretty like really close. This looks really good. Wow.
I can't see it. I need a little bit of life and color, I guess.
In the middle. You should be a duo.
Do you want me to do
I
it?
want you to put it on so I can see what
you hold
the
this for me? My lips are so small.
It's okay. God loves you anyway.
Uh-oh. I feel so
Okay.
mature.
Okay.
Oh no.
Get it quick before it dries. Woo! We're almost done.
Do you remember that?
Hannah Montana?
Yeah. Oh no, it had to happen.
I just need that little tiny brush again. Everybody makes mistakes.
Hey!
Done. That's a picture wrap on Maddie. So we hope you love this video. Her face was already socially acceptable without makeup, and I just put some paint on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you love Maddie as much as we do here in the
Aw.
Sim fam. You better subscribe to her, follow her on Instagram, add her on Snapchat. All of that will be in the description. You're gonna put your Snapchat in the description, right?
Yes.
I'm a
Thanks
little
for
bit
coming on my
violent.
channel.
Thanks for having me. And we're gonna do some Instagram covers, so we'll go watch those. Bye! Let's get into the video now.
I need a little teacup.
Yeah, it's okay. All right, I'm sick of myself.
I'm sick of myself.
And she's here and she is not playing around.
You're like not in it.
We
Great.
clear. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Start it. Ready?
You're starting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? Or
Yeah.
do you want to start it?
You go.
Oh geez, that was a lot. I gotta chill. Ready? Let's do it again.